Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you QualCert Level 3 Award in Safety, Health and Environment for Construction Workers. In the bustling world of construction, safety, health, and environmental considerations are paramount. The Level 3 Award in Safety, Health, and Environment for Construction Workers stands as a beacon of knowledge and empowerment for those navigating the dynamic and often hazardous environments of construction sites. Let's delve into what this award entails and why it's crucial for construction workers. Construction sites are inherently risky environments, with various hazards present, from heavy machinery and heights to hazardous materials and electrical installations. The Level 3 Award provides comprehensive training on safety protocols, health practices, and environmental considerations specific to construction settings. It emphasizes the importance of preventing accidents, minimizing health risks, and mitigating environmental impacts throughout the construction process. Qualification structure. Introduction to construction safety, health, and environment, risk assessment and hazard identification, personal protective equipment, PPE, and safety procedures, occupational health and well-being, environmental management in construction, construction site safety management, emergency preparedness and response, communication and stakeholder engagement, continuous improvement and best practices, legal and regulatory compliance. Entry requirements. Educational qualifications, minimum of a secondary school completion certificate or its equivalent, e.g., high school diploma, GCSEs, GED, English language proficiency. Adequate proficiency in the English language is essential to comprehend course materials, communicate effectively, and adhere to safety instructions. Age requirement. Typically, applicants must be at least 16 years old at the start of the course. Who is this course for? Construction workers, construction managers and supervisors, health and safety officers, occupational health professionals, safety consultants and advisors, students and graduates, government inspectors and regulators, construction industry stakeholders. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.